tó bá lómi ló máa ṣẹja jiná ìwọ àtẹ̀mí á sọ wípé irọ́ ni gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé inú ibú báyìí lẹja ń gbé wọ́n sì lẹja tó lẹja ń jẹ sanra ṣùgbọ́n ká wá sọ wípé omi tó ń dáàbò bo ẹja tó ń lúwẹ̀ẹ́ tó ń gbádùn tó ń ṣe yànmùyànmùyànmù nínú odò kó tún wá jẹ́ wípé omi yẹn nígbà tí ọwọ́ àwọn apẹja bá mú ẹja tí wọ́n fún lọ́rùn pa ó wá jẹ́ wípé omi tó ń dáàbò bo yẹn omi yẹn náà tó wá fẹ́ fi sèé jiná ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ. Ẹ̀fọ́ kì í lẹ́fọ́ láwo ni mo gbọ́ kí ló rán lu Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá súnmọ́ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore jẹ́ tètè sí ní parẹ́ pàkọ́ ẹ tètè pé torí ó ti mórí légbó báyìí kó o tó di gbódégbó kó o tó di jùdéjù torí eléyìí tó fẹ́ ra wọlé yìí orí máa ta ẹ́ gan ni Ọmọyẹlé Sowore àwa máa tútù kùtù nínú ayé ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ pọ̀ lé gan-an Ọmọyẹlé Sowore tó o bá ní nuisance lókù tó become because lọ́ọ̀láì sìn kò sí nǹkan gidi kan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe mọ́ ó ti become a nuisance sórí social media ó rí nǹkan kan ṣe mọ́ ní wo àti ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọ tá a mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ àbí kò ṣe Ọmọyẹlé Sowore bóyá ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ àwọn irú èèyàn tó jẹ́ ìgbà tó ti pẹ́ fún yẹn jẹ́ ká kúkú báyìí faluya ká sọlù sílù jẹ́ ká sọ kéke sílù ká faluya pẹ́rẹ́gẹ́dẹ́ kílù bẹ́ẹ̀ kó fàyà dànù tó o bá rò wípé wàá fi tiẹ̀ ọ̀nà àtijẹ́ tiẹ̀ wàá máa fi hàn ọmọ ẹlòmíràn léèmọ̀ bàbá ńlá irọ́ ló pa mo ní bàbá ńlá irọ́ ló pa ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi kí ohun tí mò ń sọ kó lè yé ìwọ àti èmi tẹ̀lé mi wo fídíò yìí.
There are Yoruba activists who went and invaded a radio station in Ibadan. Have you heard about them anymore? Even Sunday Igboho, my brother, is back. He's actually, he's moving around freely. Nnamdi Kanu has never carried a weapon before. Most of these guys have done things like that. Why are we treating the Igbo man differently? And I'm not saying that to whip up something because I'm ashamed, of course, of these Southeastern leaders. Because when I was on your show last time, you remember, I was saying that Nnamdi Kanu is being kept in detention deliberately by Southeastern politicians. They showed themselves in the last few days. The deputy speaker was asking people not to join peaceful protests. All the governors kept quiet about it. The Ohanese Indigbo person in our heads is a wicked version of Ohanese Indigbo. He's saying that nobody should go out to fight for the freedom of a person who is innocent of any crime. And we are here saying it is normal. It is normal. Even the policemen who were shooting at us today were fighting for them a month ago to get their pension and gratuity. They were the ones shooting at us. They saw me today, came close to me, and they were shooting directly at me. 4 times today. The policemen I fought for. There's something wrong with this country, sir.
Igboho is a hero. Anybody told you about him making history, told him make wave. Ṣé rántí tuntun pàṣà ó lè fi Igboho wé Kanu náà ó lè fi Igboho wé Gani Adams ó lè fi Igboho wé Olúọmọ ṣé bó Olúọmọ sọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn ó kè ṣé kì í sọ àsọkú ọ̀rọ̀ Olúọmọ nígbà tí sọ́jú ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu Igboho ọmọ mi ni o ọmọ mi ni nǹkan tó bá sọ tó bá délé àkọrẹ tẹ bọ tí kò tí ì sàsọjù ẹ̀yin lẹ
ibi tẹ́yin wò dé yẹn ó sì
ẹ̀yin lẹ béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ burú gan ṣe báyìí.
káàárọ̀ jíire ẹ̀yin náà ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ní orí show tèmi gangan níbi almost 2 years ago now ó wá sí orí show mi tí mo host ẹ èmi fúnra mi ni mo béèrè question yẹn lọ́wọ́ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore wípé àwọn kan sọ wípé Yorùbá ni àwọn kan sọ pé ò kìí ṣe Yorùbá ọmọ bo ni ẹ ẹnu ara ẹ ló fi sọ lórí platform mi wípé Yorùbá pọ́nbélé ni ẹ ìjọ àpò ìyà bí nǹkan kan ló ti wá ibi ó bá tẹ̀ tí wù kó ti wá kí ló ṣe ṣe bó run business ẹni àdẹ̀bá ìjà sí because everybody wey dey see the whole thing wey dey happen for free Nnamdi Kanu protest we all know say na business you dey run with Igbo people. They give you very huge amount now to run this to run this free Nnamdi Kanu protest. Abi you think everybody no? They don't know say you collect money from Igbo. Now business wise now. Okay, ní ìgbà tí wọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Igbo. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ àpè ní allegedly. Torí èmi àti gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà mọ̀ wípé ó kàn lè dá yí kò kàn dédé lọ fàyàrọ́ kìíní kan láì ṣe wípé we know as they go. Tó o bá wá gbowó tó run business ẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ Igbo lórí ọ̀rọ̀ free Nnamdi Kanu èmi ò against pé kó free Nnamdi Kanu ṣùgbọ́n èwo ni ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation ọ̀rọ̀ Chief Igboho tó fẹ́ fi sẹ́nu láti fi justify nǹkan tí Nnamdi Kanu tó ṣe tó ń jọ ń fà láàrin ara wọn. Àbẹ́yàn máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu Sowore ni tó ń sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé wípé ṣebí Yorùbá one of his brother Yorùbá ìyẹn Igboho ó rìn kiri freely wọ́n ti fi sílẹ̀ kí wá ní Nnamdi Kanu ṣe tí wọ́n fi sílẹ̀. My dear Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ìgbà yìí ni mo mọ̀ pọpọlọ ìjà ló wà lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn abálájọ lára ẹ̀ abálájọ tó rojú tu gbogbo ẹ̀. Ọpọlọ ẹja ló wà lọ́pọlọ ẹ̀ o Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ò réyàn bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kí ni mo ti ẹ sọ ó kúkú ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ di nuisance sórí social media ó relevant mọ́ rádaràda ló ń bá kiri torí ojoojúmọ́ o ṣàfẹ́ kó máa trending o fẹ́ kó máa pariwo Sowore ìyẹn náà ni president tó jẹ máa jẹ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n sórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbòho tó fẹ́ fi sẹ́nu àti ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation ó máa lẹ́yìn fún ẹ tán bá gbá ẹ mú wá ṣó ìlẹ́ran tán bá gbá ẹ mú tá bá mú ẹ abẹ́ ẹ̀ máa gbẹ́rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ. Only one of his brother is an activist as well and is working freely. He committed the same crime with Nnamdi Kanu. While Igboho is working freely in Nigeria, why are they still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Meshonu. Ọmọyẹlé Sowore meshonu. Gbẹ́nu ẹ sí gboko, gbẹ́nu ẹ sájà kájà gẹ́nu ẹ sínú ìgbẹ́. Oh! Ẹ bá wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore. Gbogbo ìgbà tí Samuel Epa wà ní Finland tó ń sọ sit at home every Monday ní Nàìjíríà anybody tó bá rí tá ń rí fídíò tí wọ́n sì sọ̀kadà tí wọ́n pa wọ́n tá ń rí àwọn tó bá fọ́ọ̀sì ara wọn pé tó bá dé ṣọ́ọ̀pù lọ́jọ́ kan tajà wọn ò lè fóúnjẹ sórí tébù kò sọ́nà àtijẹ fún wọn tí wọ́n fagídí jáde ṣebí gbogbo wọn la rí bí àwọn ESN bọ́ ṣe tàtàtà wọn. Okay ìyá ìgbà yẹn ìyá ojú Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ojú inú ẹ̀ fọ́ tìta ẹ̀ ò ríran kò rí ní etí inú ẹ̀ tó fọ́ nìyẹn tìta ẹ̀ ò gbọ́ràn nìyẹn o torí tí ò bá jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o ní máa sọ wípé o fẹ́ fi ọ̀rọ̀ Ìgbòho compare ọ̀rọ̀ Kanu Nnamdi ibo ló ti jọra wọn awáwí tó tẹ̀síwájú ó ní ẹ pé kọ́ máa wò ó pé ṣebí the same Yorùbá nation ìyẹn àwọn Ìgbòho lórí fásitì ipò lọ ajá kí amúlùdùn FM àti secretariat nìbàdàn ṣe é ráyé gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ jíire torí ọdún tí kinní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ tí mo bọ́ síta tí mo ní àmọ́ kankan pa ẹ̀ bàbá Akíntóyè àti Chief Igboho wọn àmọ́ kankan nípa ẹ̀ àyàn ọmọ Yorùbá actually know the truth. Ìjọ wo la fẹ́ kúrò nídìí ìdò torí eré ọmọdé lẹ pé ìjọ wo la bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fẹ́ sọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fúnra wa torí àṣà ọmọ káàárọ̀ jíire èyí ò dáa Ọmọyẹlé Sowore níwọ lẹ́nu tiẹ̀ okay ó yá ṣebí tó bá sọ wípé o rí gbogbo yẹn o kì í gbọ́ gbogbo voice tí Nnamdi Kanu máa ń jù síta tó rókún ọwọ́ mi bàjẹ́ èmi mọ̀ máa play ẹ̀ ni. Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ìwọ ló máa wá fún mi ní baba ńlá opportunity nísìnyí láti máa upload gbogbo bó ṣe ń give order kí wọ́n pa Yorùbá gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lọ máa lè kí wọ́n má bá wa ṣe kọ́ máa attend Anglican gbogbo Anglican any pastor tó bá ti jẹ́ pastor tó jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá kọ́ máa attend church ẹ̀ kọ́ bọ́n business wa gbogbo wa kò sí èébú tí Nnamdi Kanu ò kì í bú wa kò sí nǹkan tí kò pé ìran Yorùbá ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀. Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ó kì í gbọ́ tí Nnamdi Kanu máa ń sọ tó máa ń give order fún àwọn ESN member ipe ní South East nílẹ̀ Yíbò kọ́ máa pa wọ́n lógúnlógún kọ́ máa pa wọ́n lọ́gbọ̀lọ́gbọ̀n òun àti Samuel Epa ẹ láwọn lẹ̀ ń jà fún tẹ́ fẹ́ fún ní better life how come tó já wọn lẹ dojú ìjà kọ tẹ́ ẹ̀ pa ṣebí ìjọba ló yẹ kẹ́ lọ bá àwọn gọtẹlẹ̀ ń jà fún lẹ wá pa ó yá Ọmọyẹlé Sowore àwọn tí wọ́n lọ ajá kí amúlùdùn àti secretariat ṣé wọ́n sọ fún ẹ pé ìjọba ò mọ̀ wọ́n alábòsí ni abalájọ lára ẹ Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ní òfò ẹni àdánù ẹni ègbé onírọ́ abalájọ nú ayé ẹ tó become a nuisance sí Nàìjíríà lọ́rùn kó Ọmọyẹlé Sowore ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ tí mo yìí máa bá ẹ sọ wá fetí ara ẹ gbọ́ fídíò yìí.
As a pioneer member of Nigerian Youth Parliament and the youth and from an eastern region, I am here to say that the federal government should please not listen to our leaders, because it is our leaders in the southeast, those in the National Assembly, those as ministers that are holding down Nnamdi Kanu, not Tinubu. Tinubu has once said that he wants to release this man, but it is the Southeast leaders. So this protest is not against the government, it's against the Southeast leaders. And we're calling on Tinubu as a father who knows what to do to help us release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and not listen to our leaders. I am betting him that if he release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today, all those people that say he should not listen will first go and pay homage to him. He should not look at them. He should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for us. Please, we are begging him. We are not protesting against the government. We are only protesting against the Southeast leaders who have held him down for years. So this is what we have said. And for the military,
anybody who says that Nnamdi Kanu and his co-travelers should be pardoned or released is actually insulting the sensibility of Ndiosu. You are actually telling us that we are fools. You are saying that our lives does not matter. The army woman I saw you wearing on your chest, well, they were killed in my own place. In Asiri too, quite precisely. So I'm here to lay my support clearly as a member for the Mosun initiative. We held a world press conference in Lagos on 2nd February this year, where we laid out all these things. Where Kesh's uncle was killed, a 90-year-old man, his head cut off, buried without body, without head. So anybody who says that these people, for whatever reason, should be released, that person is actually insulting the sensibility of our people. We also have right. The dead has right also. Those people killed, they belong to people. They are human beings, and they also want justice. Our people want justice. It's as simple as that. Let the law take its course. Let the law decide that Nnamdi Kanu and co are not guilty. But don't tell us that our lives does not matter. Don't tell us that our lives, it is an insult on us, and it's not acceptable to Ndi Odimos and also in general. And for Igbo land, I'm speaking directly as it concerns me mainly. I lost my friend Abe Kome, he was killed. I lost more, I can't count. Our houses were burnt. Over 5,000 people. So like I said, I wasn't part of this.
In fact, if anything should happen to Nnamdi Kanu now, we should blame Sowore. Because,
really?
Yes.
You don't think his intentions are no?
He is the one who told us that the government have already taken a position.
Ọmọ Yíbò bójú Sowore jẹ́ o. Ẹ̀là. Ojú ẹ̀bọ. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ti dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ti fọmọ Yẹlé Sowore ṣẹ̀sìn. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan táwọn ọmọ Yíbò sọ? Àtàgbà àtọmọdé wọn. Listen to that lady very well. Una hear wetin she talk? She said that protest wey they organize, Free Nnamdi Kanu protest, no be against Nigeria government or Tinubu, but that protest is against their leaders. But when me I can't get a question for that, my sister. Now if you say, since una know say na against Igbo leaders and elders, now them they tell Tinubu make he no release Nnamdi Kanu. Why una no carry the protest? Do am for Igbo land. Why una carry and go Abuja? Why una carry and go Abuja? I be waiting una say I talk. Okay, that sister talk and now say the protest not be for Nigeria government or against Tinubu. Now against their leaders, against the Ohanese. And for me, if I ask na Igbo land, no be Igbo land the Ohanese. Then they, una senator, una minister, all of them. Na Igbo land una supposed to hold that a protest now. And una go talk and say this protest of Free Nnamdi Kanu protest against the leader, against Ohanese. Una go put Ohanese. Now the truth of the matter, una here for this Igbo woman. No be against Nigeria government or Tinubu. Na Sowore come turn am against Nigeria government and against Tinubu. You are evil. Sowore, Eshunie, abalajo to move an inch. Abalajo tẹ́ bá tún tẹ́jú mọ́ tẹ́ wo fídíò yẹn tẹ́ continue. Rí tí àwọn ọmọ Yíbò àgbààgbà wọn sọ ńbẹ̀ wípé gbogbo àwọn innocent soul tí Nnamdi Kanu tó ti give order kí wọ́n padànù. True. Sit at home. Tí ó wá láti ọ̀dọ̀ kí lorúkọ bọ̀bọ́ yẹn EPA ní Finland. Ṣé gbogbo wa kọ́ la rí ní sit at home? Wọ́n bí èèyàn. Àìmọye àwọn ẹ̀mí tó lọ sí. Ṣé gbogbo wa kọ́ la gbọ́ gbogbo bí Nnamdi Kanu ṣe ń attack everybody? Bó ti ń attack àwọn elders wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ń attack àwa ti Yorùbá. Kí ló dé? Kí ló dé Ọmọyẹlé Sowore? So, ó ṣiṣẹ́ fún àwọn ọmọ Yíbò against Yorùbá, ó dẹ̀ pé rẹ́ lọ́mọ Yorùbá, ọmọ àlè ni ẹ́ láàrin wa. Ọmọyẹlé Sowore, original ọmọ àlè. Ìwọ ni number 1 ọmọ àlè Yorùbá láti number 1 to number 10. tí àwọn ọmọ Tinubu ò bá lè treat fuck up àjọkù sọ́wọ́ wọn this time around, because it is very very glaring that you have something against Tinubu. It is not about Nigeria government, because ẹ jẹ́ ká dá sílẹ̀ ká túṣà. Ṣé Tinubu nìkan ló bá yé Nàìjíríà jẹ́ ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ká face reality now. Kò ṣe wípé yá mo fi support wọn. Àwọn náà nípa títí wọn tó kó, gbogbo wa aráàlú, àwa náà ní tiwa tá kó. Èwo ní Sowore fẹ́ pa ọmọ bàbá ní bàbá tó fẹ́ ta gògóńgò ẹ̀ pa sí. Kán lè máa sọ wípé you are somebody. Ẹ jẹ́ wá já yín sí kí tó kúrò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sowore. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀, allegedly wọ́n ní o, ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n ní agent CIA ní Sowore. Oh, believe him at your own peril. Believe ipò fight fún wọn Nigeria. Interest America ló ń jà fún bó ṣe wà yẹn. Any Nigerians that you are supporting Omoyele Sowore, believing that is fighting for you, is an activist for one Nigeria. At your own peril, you are the last mumu wey remain for that Nigeria. Omoyele, they fight for Nigeria. Fight for one Nigeria. At your own peril. Èèyàn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́, èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé agent ní America. Èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé agent ní America. Come out with your full shares and tell us ipò o ṣe agent. Ẹ get out, àmọ́ gbogbo traces, gbogbo yín pátápátá la mọ orúkọ yín tẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn. Gbogbo yín bí bàbá Tinubu ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn, ìwọ náà ṣe. Get out. Yé parọ́. Ṣé bó ti rí? Ẹ̀rù ń ba gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà, wọ́n ní tán bá fi Nnamdi Kanu sílẹ̀, ó máa tó bá dé ó máa gé orí gbogbo wọn dànù, á pa wọn dànù. Ibẹ̀ ni kankan là ń lọ. Ó ti di woro sí woro. Sultan of Sokoto ni o. Ọ̀rọ̀ máa yóò fẹ́ yéèyàn mọ́. Sultan of Sokoto tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ó tún ti dé o. Ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Ó ní kí wọ́n regulate social media. Ó ló expose gbogbo atrocity wọn ní north. Ṣó fẹ́ gbọ́? US ti fẹ́ sanction Nigeria. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Christian genocide tí wọ́n pa àwọn Christian káàkiri tí wọ́n fà ní fàǹfà. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti dojúrú o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún ẹ. Bí mo yé bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. USA wọ́n try, wọ́n ṣe meeting lọ́wọ́, meeting lọ lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ sanction Nigeria wípé wọ́n pa àwọn Christian. Ní Sultan of Sokoto bá bọ́ síta ló bá ní no Christian genocide in the north, Sultan of Sokoto.
I told you earlier, already they have declared war on Plateau. As I'm talking to you, yesterday we buried in the night one corpse and they killed 2 people again. This morning that I'm telling you, come and see Fulani terrorists were invited from Bauchi, other places. I was able to have a report from the insider and the man spoke and it comes to true. This morning, as I'm talking to you, they are trooping into Doroa, they're outside behind Doroa, into Nyarwe village of Fan. Now what do you want us to do? We are going to defend ourselves today. I was just coming from sector. I rushed to sector, but I didn't see the commander. At the same time, the Twice said the unit of Doroa side didn't give them report. My pastor in the village of Nyarwe, he has called me right now that the armies have withdrawn, which means something is wrong somewhere. All the youths in Nigeria, in Plateau State, Christian, if you are really a Christian, be on your knees, pray for us. We are going to defend ourselves to death. Imagine us visiting Ruga. We don't have that spirit. We don't have that mind. We are not wicked. We are not terrorists, and we will never be. But look at them, they are trying to enter our village now. I was just coming from the sector. As I've said, now I will troop in. I will go there. Even when some people are saying that I should not be there, I will be there with my people, because right here they are in the bush. They have arrived from Bauchi.
Reverend àbí pastor àbí èké bishop ẹ̀rí bóyá lament wípé kan wá gbà wọ́n. So Sultan wá sọ wípé irọ́ ni, kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. No Christian genocide in the north, Sultan of Sokoto. The Sultan of Sokoto and chairman of the Northern Traditional Rulers Council, Al-Haji Sa'ad Abubakar III, has refuted claims of an ongoing genocide against Christians in northern Nigeria, describing the allegation as false and capable of inciting division. Can you imagine that? So Sultan is now telling the whole wide world that there is nothing of such happening in Nigeria or the northern part of Nigeria. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí gbogbo àgbáyé rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. Táwa ni liar? Who is lying? The whole world or Sultan of Sokoto? Put it on the comment section. He made this known while speaking at a recent meeting of the Northern Traditional Rulers Council held in Benin, Kebbi State. According to him, Christians and Muslims have lived together peacefully for centuries in the region, stressing that reports suggesting otherwise were deliberate attempts to create tension and disunity. But ẹ dúró náà ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, kí ló dé tó ṣe jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀rù division ó máa ń ba àwọn northerner, àwọn sultan. Ṣebí eléyìí ni heart of Nigeria. Everything about Nigeria ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni. Adẹ̀láwa tó kù, instead kí a máa ṣe ẹrú lábẹ́ yín, kàkà kíkì ní kó ṣàkápọ̀ ẹkùn ní ìran bàbá bàbá mi sọ. Ó ní kálukú ayé àmà ṣọdẹ tiẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ Yorùbá already láti ṣọdẹ tiwọn lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Wọ́n láwọn fẹ́ máa jẹ̀gbẹ́ ìgbé ìdí àwọn northerner forever and ever from generation to generation. Why not if not? Kí la fẹ́ ṣe àti gbìyànjú tiwa. Ẹni ìgbẹ̀yìn lẹ fẹ́ máa jẹ. Ó yá continue. Ẹ máa ládì wọn lọ. But mo notice yìí pé division, disunity, ó máa ń jẹ́ kí Sultan wà sleep, ó máa ń fún ní sleepless night. Kí ló ń bá wọn lẹ́rù? Ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ 1 billion yín ò lè stop ẹ̀ tí àsìkò bá tó lójú Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wá máa gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ o. Only from time immemorial, Christians and Muslims have lived as brothers in the north. These allegations are false, are merely aimed at sowing discord among the inseparable faithful, he stated. Shetingbo, a whole Sultan, the leader of Islamic religion in the whole of Nigeria, not deny wípé Christian o àti Mùsùlùmí ní north o, wọ́n jọ ń bára wọn ṣe ni o. Tá bá wá sọ fún ẹ̀yin Mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, ìgbà ẹ má tẹ̀lé wọn, ẹ má hùwà wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kó tara yín kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wípé ní ilẹ̀ bàbá wa ní ilẹ̀ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire, gbogbo ẹ̀sìn la kó papọ̀, àwọnú ara wa ń bára wa ṣe. Mo ní ẹ jẹ́ kó tara yín kọ́. Ìwọ náà tó jẹ́ Mùsùlùmí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ chief imam, sheikh, afa, or name it, èké tó bá lo pé rẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Ṣé ojú ẹ̀ ti ń dábàá? Ṣé ti rí wípé gbogbo àgbáyé ń le bá? Ẹ múra sí. Ṣé ti rí bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, debate ń lọ, wọ́n fẹ́ sanction Nàìjíríà. Ojú yín máa bó, ẹ fẹ́ rojọ́ kú. Sultan of Sokoto, àwọn tó ń bá yín pò wọ́n máa bá yín pò ní kékeré. Proof wà bàjẹ́ tẹ́ fi pa àwọn innocent Christian, tẹ́ fi bọ́ọ̀lù ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wọn, tẹ́ ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Ibo ni Christian àti Muslim ti jọ ń gbé papọ̀ ní north. Wà ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. From time immemorial, the Sultan commended the Nigerian army for its consistent effort in combating banditry and insurgency across the north and the nation. He reaffirmed the traditional rulers' continued support for the military and the federal government in their fight against insecurity. Without the military, we wouldn't be here holding this meeting comfortably. Therefore, we must encourage them to do more, he said. He also raised concern over the misuse of social media. Urging the federal government to regulate its use, he revealed that he had personally fallen victim to misinformation spread online. Only the days of bandits and insurgents in the northeast, northwest, and across the country are numbered. Oh, we will defeat them. They will not defeat us. Don't believe Sultan. Don't. Have you forgotten that this same Sultan granted interview and told the whole wide world and warned Nigeria government not to go after the insurgents and the banditry, that they should allow them to be doing what they are doing, the terrorists, that they are their security, whatever, in the north. Sultan of Sokoto that said the bandits and the terrorists are working for them. They are their northern soldiers. their security tó jẹ́ sí wípé àwọn ni wọ́n mọ̀ invite wọn tó kó wọn wá wọ́n dẹ̀ ní kó má flọ bó ṣe ń pa wọ́n ṣẹ́rí kan fọwọ́ kàn wọ́n ni ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí tí wọ́n lọ ń bẹ̀ wọ́n tó ń fowó bẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń fọwọ́ ra wọ́n lórí ni pé ẹ má bínú ó yẹ ẹ̀pẹ̀lẹ́ ó yẹ ẹ̀pẹ́ tẹ bá fẹ́ pa ẹ fi lè tó kù lẹ̀ ẹ má pa wọ́n jù ẹ lè má pa wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má pa wọ́n jù ẹ̀yin ò rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kwara ìgbómìnà lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ ti gbàgbé èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Benue ṣùgbọ́n àwọn northern leader wọn kì í fi bò wọ́n á wá sọ síta wípé ẹ má fọwọ́ kàn wọ́n o àwọn làwọn ni wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n lè wà after Ìgbòho nígbà tá à ní leader nílẹ̀ south because tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin àgbègbè ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ bá bàbá Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀ owó ibi òjù bí lọ́nà ṣe bí gbogbo wájọ jẹ́ Nàìjíríà ni ṣé Ìgbòho pààyàn ní. ẹ jẹ́ ń dúró dán lórí bí orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà Yèyé Dára Kowó Èkókókó ni mò ń jẹ́ Sultan of Sokoto kí wọ́n regulate social media so that gbogbo àṣírí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pa àwọn èèyàn ní the whole of Nigeria àlebò ìrọ̀lẹ́ pa ẹ̀ rí ṣe bàbá Tinubu ẹ má try ẹ o ẹ jẹ́ kájọ máa expose wọn lọ ní o torí ẹ̀yin náà lọ́mọ ti yín àbẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ́mọ ẹ lọ́mọ ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bá ikọ̀ tó bá mú yín bàbá Tinubu tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wo ṣèyí tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wo àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ torí a máa ń rí àwọn ọmọ yín lọ́dọ̀ yín tẹ́ ẹ̀ kó àwọn ọmọ yín ṣeré tínú yín dùn sáwọn ọmọ yín kí ló dé táwa Nàìjíríà tó kò gbúdọ̀ inú wo gbúdọ̀ dùn pẹ̀lú fámìlì wa tó wá jẹ́ pé ikú lókù tí wọ́n fi lé wa nígbà enough is enough. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi share má sì gbàgbé láti fún mi ní support bá mi like fídíò kó sì bá mi share dé gbogbo bá mi share kó kan mọ́ Yẹlé Sowore àti Délé Fárótìmí rádàrá.